Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play clickfight. It's a website which you can earn Satoshi in, and then you trade to Bitcoin. So this is the first thing you will see when you log on. This is your ranking. I'm rank 66. This is your log and what you have earned using the arena. So the first tip I would recommend is go to your character and skills, get this here, and I would increase the reward first, as you need the level to level up. And as you can see over here, it's really difficult to rank up a level. So oh, there you go. And as it basically goes up by 2, but yeah, nobody's level 30 yet. So prestiges are ranks. So if you're this newbie, which is a noob, I am a cracker. Soon I'm gonna be a chief hacker. I need to just kill the hackers and senior hackers and chief, and only one player can be a general. Well, that's basics. They have 2 currencies, crypto, which is used to buy weapons and ammo, and so is this, but this is harder to get than this. So I would collect that to buy weapons. You get 20 weapons in total, just the ammo, and you can see one of them. And so yeah, this is the weapons. This is the worst weapon ever, because it only has 30% of accuracy, so it might shoot, might not. I would recommend as a starter, I would buy 15 BN2 guns. They're 1,000 credits each, so yep. And I would save up your cryptos for this gun here. It has 70% accuracy and 3 seconds reload time. You only get 1,000 of cryptos, so it's really hard to get 7,000 I mean. And yeah, I would save up for 7,000. Oh, and you get 5 of them at the very start, and you get 0 of BN2 guns. So I would save up and buy them. Right, there is competitions, which is good. And if it loads, okay, and you get 4,000 Satoshis and 800 cryptos, which is good as a top place, which is really hard to get. And you get that by killing NPCs. We'll get that in a second when we are in the arena. Okay, and this was the last competition, and 5,000 Satoshis. Well, it's different each Sunday. So yeah, as you can see, I have let's go to Satoshi, and I have 629 Satoshis, which is quite easily got, because when you do competition, sorry. Okay, and we are back in competition and daily challenge. Okay, there we go. And this is constant days, so you have to log on every day. And day 1 you get 35 Satoshi, and if you're day 5 and plus and so on, you get 100 Satoshi each day, so which is quite easy got. And 1 medkit, which is saved a lot of lives. Okay, so 6 days, and that's Satoshi. That's how I got this Satoshi. Okay, let's go. I need to pause my ad block. Okay, and okay, there you go. Press F5 if you have ad block, and yeah. Okay, so here is the starting screen of the arena. So your starting level 1, and if you click on the bugs you get credits and all that. So I'm gonna use the blue one, which I never use the grey one because it's useless. It only does 6 damage, this does 10, and this does 30. And then I have my multiplier. My skills, damage 20th level. So it adds 0.5% per level. So that's 10% I have plus. So yeah, so it's quite easily to kill them. Okay. And the repair kit you can use once in 20 seconds, and you have to wait 5 seconds to repair yourself. There's also a chat, there's rules, English only, I have no idea, they should get banned. And you can repair yourself, as I'm a cracker, my rank, prestige. So yeah. Jump. This jumps in the same level, it only takes 20 seconds. As you can see, 20 seconds to reload before you can jump to the next room. This takes 30 seconds to jump to the next room, and also 30 seconds to log out. But you don't have, you can jump by logging out. You can click log out and jump around the maps. So let's just kill them quickly. It's not really worth it for me to kill them, as I have 20 guns and that's taking 20 of my ammo, not level, to kill them. Oh, I suppose it's worth kind of a bit. Okay, so if we go up, I'm gonna change to the red, as it does 30 damage, just in case I'm killed. First level is always safe, and as you can see, I can start attack the player. As you can see, he's a noob. You should click on him and then start attack, press attack, or you can press Q. Oh, he wants to jump away, but I have to wait 20 seconds. That's okay. Okay, there we go. That will should find him here. Yep. Let's finish him. He should have jumped down so I can get him because level 1 is non-PvP. So he's a noob. Whatever. And when I kill him, okay, there we go. I get 6 Satoshi, which is good. 200 XP. So yeah, I can go up. Okay, I can't go up. Per level, each level you get, which I'm level 11. I can go up to level 11 now, but I'm gonna go down as I'm speaking and will explain. So let's go back there. So NPCs. So here you can see all the awards you will get from killing people. Well, NPCs, which is yeah. And certain levels have different enemies in it. So those are bosses. Those from level 11. They have 800 HP, and it's rewards get split into people, so you can team up using the chat, which was implemented 2 days ago, to effectively kill bosses. And as you can see, passive, offensive, aggressive. Passive, they will never attack you back. So on offensive, when you attack them, they will attack you back. And aggressive will attack you no matter what. So as soon as you spawn in a room, you will get hit by them. So, and one boss is passive, so it's easy, and the rest of them are aggressive. Okay, so how do you earn Satoshi? You should play by playing or killing players, but most of the winnings are from competitions, which is done every Sunday, I believe. Okay, so that's about it. Oh, no, I used one of them, which is hard to get, but oh well. So it's worth it for the video, come on guys. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe. Thank you. And join by my link. Will be in the